Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! I gotta tell you this. This is the day after the non-collaboration smoked pork shoulder fucking thingamajigabob or whatever. This is what's left over, eh? Like, fuck right off. It's fucking good. Let's eat it. Okay. I woke up this morning totally fucking half fucking hungover, half wasted still. Said that was fucking awesome. So I said to myself, we're gonna eat that again tonight. Well, I got wasted. Oh, and I did make more fries. Don't worry, I know there's fries in the freezer, that's fine. Normally I'll go the whole day and make 4 batches of fries for the freezer. But, so I made more fries today. And what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna make the same fucking thing. The pork on the bun. No, we're making a barbecue pork Poutine. Or, I don't know, some kind of smoked pork Poutine. It's smoke and barbecue. I don't know how the fuck to say it. But it's a fucking pulled pork Poutine. There you go. Pull my pork and shut the fuck up. And if you don't like it, you don't want to see this stuff on this channel, and fuck off. This is not the channel for you. So, I gotta make a roux. I got 4 tablespoons of flour, 4 tablespoons of butter. And look at this. This is all the fucking juice. That's solidified now. We'll heat that fucking bitch up. Well, that's the fucking drippings from the fucking pulled pork. I got 2 cups of chicken broth. I got more chicken broth over here. Got my fries. And sorry for all the Poutine assholes. Oh, you're not using curds? Well, guess what? Fucking give me a ride to town and I'll buy some fucking curds. I use what I got on hand. So this is a mix of old cheddar and mozzarella. Alright, I'm gonna have another piece of this fucking meat. Okay, let's get the roux going and then shut the fuck up. Drink up, buttercup. Woo! There you go. Biatch. Gutter cheeks. Alright, here we go. Howdy ho, bitches. Alright, I lost my knife. See? I'm just hitting record. There's my fucking knife. Howdy ho, bitches. Okay, we got our butter. Let's melt our fucking butter. What's that? That's 4 tablespoons. Can't remember how many grams that is. 57 or some fucking thing. Okay, melt, bitch, melt. Okay. And uh-oh, I dropped some. Sorry. Like I said, if you don't like my swearing and all my shit, fuck off. Please, please, fuck off. Please. We're gonna drink up like a fucking buttercup. Woo! 9:30. No, it's not 9:30. It's 9:23 or some fucking thing. The day after the cooking of the pork. Okay, it's alright. We're good. I can comprehend, kinda, sorta. I know what I'm doing. I'm wasted, but I know what I'm doing. And I ain't any real chef. I'm just a drunk guy that cooks. Don't like it? Fuck off. I like beer. Hey. We're good to go. Let's put this fucking shit in here. Flour. Let's make our roux. There you go. Bitchatola. Woo! Stir this shit up. Stir it up. Woo! Stir it up. Come on. Okay. Do this for a couple of minutes. We're on a medium heat here. Don't want anything too fucking hot. Okay. You got what? I got 2 cups of fucking what do you call that shit? Chicken broth, chicken stock. Hey, there's flour here that needs to be whisked in. Whisk in, bitch. Need a small. Okay, there we go. I say I need a smaller whisk. Let this go. And we got our fucking juice. Oh yeah, here's our fucking juice. That's going in later. Okay. Give me a couple more minutes with this. I'll drink some more beer. I'll be back. Woo! Alright, bitches. It's been a few minutes. We're good. We're gonna put our chicken stock in here. A little bit at a time. A little bit. Just put a little bit in there. Okay, that was a little too much actually. That's alright. It'll be good. Too much at once. You want it like fucking paste. There you go, see? Paste it up. Like a big nasty fucking yeast infection. Fuck, great. Oh, that's a bit. Hey, she's a bit pasty. Gotta stay out of that one. Okay, there you go. A little more. Let's get it fucking rocking and rolling here. There you go. Keep doing that till you got all in there. A little more. Still pasty. Medium heat, not too high. Medium to low. Okay, I'll do this. I'll be back. You'll see. It'll be fucking beautiful when you come back. All right, trust me. And drink up, Buttercup. Hey, come on. I'm doing too many things at once. Talking, drinking, fucking stirring, whisking. Yeah. Fuck, get in there, bitch. Come on. Here we go. Alright, we'll be back. You'll see. Alright, bitches. It's been about 20 fucking minutes. Like, I'm fucking starved. I really didn't want to be doing this. But, here you go. We've reduced, like, there's no more chicken stock left. It's looking nice. That roux is looking fucking beautiful. You can let it go for a bit more. You want to get it darker. Fucking keep going. I'm fucking hungry, but you know what? I'm thirsty too. Here you go, bitchy. Bitchy! Woo! Drink up, Buttercup. 9:45. Okay, we're gonna pour some of this fucking juice in here. After I pour some of that juice in me. There you go. Oh yeah. So, it'll be at least another 10 minutes. Because all these fucking drippings from that fucking glorious fucking pork. Oh. Look at the color change already. Like, fuck me. This is gonna be such a glorious fucking gravy. RTFO, mofos. Okay. Gonna put this down. And I want to drink some more alcohol, because alcohol is good. Okay, I'll be back. Once the gravy is done, then we gotta make the fries. Fuck, this is gonna be a long fucking video for fucking poutine. It's the simplest fucking thing. Alright, sorry, I'm rambling. Ta-ta! Hey, watch out. Okay, bitchy, it's been about another 10 minutes. After all that melted fucking pork juice is in there. She's bubbling. Okay. Woo! Fuck, I'm wasted. I don't give a fuck. This is a drunk cooking channel. You don't like it? Fucking, I don't know. Lick my fucking poop hole. They call it a sphincter. Alright. Let's put some pepper in here. A little bit of, I should use, you know what, I should use an electric one. Yeah, that's alright. A little bit of salt. A little more pepper. A little more. I love pepper. Pepper is good. There you go. Bitchy! Just a little dash of salt. Dash. Okay. That's all you need. All you need is love. Okay. Mix this up a bit more, and then guess what? This is gonna be done, but I'm gonna put it in another vessel. I'm gonna put it in a fucking pot instead of a frying pan. Not all of it. Just I'm gonna freeze. Actually, I'm actually gonna fucking freeze some of this because this is good fucking gravy. I love freezing gravy. All right. Because I'm gonna put some. Oh, the pork is already in the pot actually. So I gotta pour some of the fucking, this gravy into here. Yeah, this is for our poutine. Like, fuck it, we're getting there, eh? You wouldn't think that I would know what the fuck's going on because I'm so fucked up. That's okay. And believe me, this is a typical curing the munchies. Like, curing the munchies should be done in 30 seconds. No, no, no. When I cure the munchies, I do it fucking right. Okay. Bubble, bubble. Toilet trouble. Don't worry, I think I've done that in the bowl. Alright, bitches. Woo! I have moved the gravy meat mixture to a smaller pot. It's not the pot I was looking for, but it'll work. Oil is up, way up to temp. We're gonna fucking rock and roll. We're gonna be fucking eating in like 5 minutes, I think. Woo! Alright. Drink up, buttercup. I don't know, am I gonna have too many? Nope, I'm good. Okay. There you go. Look out. Going slowly. There you go, bitchy. Bitchy! Perfect. Nice. Just get a little shakeroo. You don't want to break your fries. And my rack is MIA, missing an Angus. So we're gonna improvise. We're using a tray and paper towel. I know, should be going on the rack, but the rack is busy, and I ain't going fucking looking for it. I know where it is, but I'm not going there. Oh, there you go, bitchy. So let's give this a mixeroo. Oh, this is so fucking tasty. It's not funny. It's just retarded. All right, I got my cheese. I know it's not curds. These things will be done soon. Just gotta go shut right off. There you go. All right. So you know what I'm doing? I'm doing shit, right? But my hand did touch that pot. That's kind of hot. A hot pot is a hot pot. Woo! That's not a real hot pot. But you gotta mix these fries around a bit. But don't break them. You gotta just be gentle. Be gentle with the fucking bitches. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh, this is gonna be fucking beautiful. They're turning brown very quickly. That's fucking awesome. Alright. Bitchatola. Cheers, big ears. Drink up, buttercup. We'll be back. So, here's my fucking fries. And they're just fucking gorgeous. Fuck me. Oh yeah. Okay. Look out. If I pour them, they will just go everywhere. There you go. Oh my god. These fries are so fucking good. Oh yeah. Hello. Okay. So, I have to put some fucking cheese in there. Sorry I don't have curds. Yeah, blah blah. Let's take some of this out. It's not real poutine. I know. Shut up. Fucking blow me. Da. You know how it goes. Fuck off. This is drunken shit. That's a lot of cheese. Okay. Get more of this fucking stuff here. French fries. Is that what they call these fucking things? French fries? I'm not French. I make fries. Ask Mr. Heavy Metal Barbecue. I make the best fucking fries. Woo! Not gonna put any salt on there. We're gonna put some more fucking cheese on there. Okay. I know. It's taking long. I'm drunk. Hey, look. There's the beer. It's not even open. Let's open that bitch. Woo! Fuck yeah. Drink up, buttercup. Alright. So, let's pour some of this fucking gravy on here. Oh, yeah, let's melt up that cheese. Those chunks of pork. That's fucking beautiful. Oh yeah, hello. Come here, a little more. Fucking A. Alright. Now I gotta find a fork. There! There's some fucking smoked pork fucking poutine. Poutine! Poontang! It's a poutine. But I know that hobo motherfucker. Yeah, well, I don't want that poontang. Well, fuck, that's a good poontang, buddy. Put a little more pepper on there, 'cause that's just, yeah. Fucking right. Get yourself an electric grinder. Oh. Hello. Our fucking pork poutine. Smoked pork, whatever the fuck it is. That's fucking awesome. Oh. You know, I never cease to amaze myself. And all you people out there there are the doubters. Say, you can't do that. Well, guess what? I just fucking did it, bitchy. Bitchy! Yeah. Blow me. Okay. I'm gonna eat this shit. And then I'm gonna play some video games. Woo! Because it's only 10:30. Alright. Drink up, buttercup. That's all.